Hello, I'm Solomon. I'm here to explain about database lab experiment number 2, in which we had these are the questions that we had to complete in this experiment. We have the 5 tables: the customer, order line, product and suppliers. And this order table for the in the database, and these are the data that you have to input into the tables that we have created. So let's go with one. First question: D is customer. We use it to look at the table that we have created, and to insert a value into the table we use insert the command insert into the table name and then values, and then open parenthesis 1, that's for number. Wherever there's a varchar we put it under quotes, and then same under quotes the address, and then the city and the state, and then the pin code. That's closer to the parenthesis and the semicolon, and then that's how we create a row in the table. So to view the data that you have inputted in the table, we use the command select star asterisk from the table name, that is customer, and end it with a semicolon. And this is the table that I've created: the customer ID, customer name, address, city, state, and postal code. This comes because there's no space for it to come in a straight line. And then next values are for the I've named this at order table. So here we go for insert into order table the values. Yes, and the row has been created for everything. And then the next table we go for order quantity, order line, and rename this order quantity later on. So we insert into order quantity, and here the values have been inserted. And now to just to see the table, I've inserted the command DSC product. So here we have the product name, and then we have, after inserting all the values, we go for the next question, that is we have to update the postal code of Mary Smith. And then like I don't have a postal code, so I will be modifying it as a product description. So I'll just modify alter table. Actually this is not the second question, so I'm just modifying the table because I enter the values, and then I enter the values in the product table. And then here we go. See, okay, and then I'm still inserting the values into it. And then to give the value, I use select star from product, and this is the product, the table there. And then that is the first lab. Here I input it to supplier. In supplier I input these values. Okay, input the values, and to view the table supplier, use the command select star from supplier and enter the semicolon, and we get the supplier table. And then um, we had to insert. Okay, and then I have done all these commands. I have inserted the above values in the corresponding table and the postal code to 10032. And then the next command I have done is insert into order table. uh, I use the command insert into order table, and this is the value 108. So it's been one row created. And then to view the table I use select star from order table, and here it is, the value has been inserted. And the next question I've done is to delete from order where the order ID is 108. So we use the command delete from the order table as a table name where order ID is 108. One row is deleted. So it was here 108. I deleted, now it's ends with 102. And then these are the commands I just used. And then the next I've done is to display product with prices greater than 100. Here I've removed the price column, so I'll just do it with the product line ID. Okay, and this is the product line ID. And then I'll be segregating the select star from product line ID is greater than 30. So the various values are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I've inserted greater than 30, so it's 40 and 50. So we get three rows. And then from the next question we have done is sort and display supplier whose rating is greater than equal to 4. So I just done the use the command select star from supplier where rating greater than equal to 4, and I've ordered by rating. So it just displays uh, the like if the rating is greater than 4, it just displays those values. This is the rating. Okay. And then the 5. And then next I've done is sort table into the descending order according to the order price. So to do that, I use a command select star from order quantity, that's a table name, order, that's a column, uh, or like that's not the column, that's actually to make it like to arrange it in an order by price, and the SC, that's descending. And then here we get the table, 10 rows selected, and it's in the descending order from highest to the lowest. And next, to just to find I've done is to find a person's name, and then I've done various methods like select from customer name from customer, that's a customer table. This is the table name, and this is the column, the row that was created. And then it should be like person, so it means it will select every single name, so it will just shows customer name in the table customer. Okay, and then since I've given here for person J person, so the people with the name as capital J, it will just show it here, and for H it will show as Henry Smith. And then this command shows all the names of the customer in the table. And then the last question I've done is system, and then find the number of orders placed on 10th October 2014. And so there's a number of orders, so the command I use is select order ID from order table where order date is equal to 10th August 14. This order ID is a column from order table. That is the name of the table where the order date is what we have to compare, so it has to be equal to 10th October 14. So this is the number of orders that we have made. Now to get the count of the orders, we use command select count, and the parenthesis we write order ID from order table, that is a table name, where order date is like, we enter the command like 10th October 14. Here we get the command for. That's all. Thank you.